Do Progressive or Allstate insure classic cars? If you are a classic car enthusiast wondering whether Progressive or Allstate can cover your prized vehicle, you are in the right place. Let's break down what each insurer offers for classic cars. Progressive has a specialized program called Classic Car by Hagerty. This program is designed specifically for collector and classic vehicles. One of the standout features is agreed value coverage. This means your classic car is insured for a predetermined value rather than a depreciated value. This is especially important for classic cars, which can appreciate or maintain their value over time. The Classic Car by Hagerty program includes liability coverage, comprehensive coverage, and collision coverage. It also offers specialized protections. For example, it covers stock original replacement parts and allows for occasional pleasure driving. This includes attending car shows and tours, which is a big plus for many classic car owners. If your classic car is undergoing restoration, Progressive provides optional restoration coverage. This means as the value of your car increases during the restoration process, your coverage limits can also increase. However, if you plan to drive your classic car daily, Progressive requires you to have a standard auto insurance policy instead of their classic car insurance. On the other hand, Allstate does not have a dedicated classic car insurance program like Progressive. Allstate typically offers standard auto insurance policies. While these policies may cover classic cars used as daily drivers, they do not specialize in collector car coverage. This means you might miss out on important features like agreed value coverage or restoration options that are tailored for classic vehicles. Classic car owners often find that Allstate's standard policies do not fully meet their unique needs. For instance, they may lack coverage for limited use or rare parts that are essential for classic cars. In summary, if you are looking for specialized coverage for your classic car, Progressive's Classic Car by Hagerty program is a better fit. It offers tailored features that cater to the unique nature and value of classic vehicles. Allstate generally provides coverage under standard auto insurance policies, which may not be sufficient for classic car enthusiasts.